Hi friends, welcome to another episode of Dish Upon a Star. Today it's Magic Mail Monday, and I've got some cool stuff to open up. I participated in a Disney YouTube Secret Santa with my friend Matt from Teacup for One. I'm going to link him down below. And a bunch of other Disney YouTube channels got together, and we all decided to give each other gifts to celebrate the most magical time of the year. And on the 18th, we'll be doing a live stream where we'll be chatting with each other, talking a little bit about our YouTube channels, and then guessing who our Secret Santa was. So I am super excited to open up my gifts today and see what I got. So I got 2 boxes from Amazon, and they did a really good job because there's no return address. So good job, Secret Santa, to start. I see a Little Mermaid logo. Oh my god, it's a Ursula. And it's got the eels. Oh my gosh, guys, this looks like my tattoo. For reference, here is my Ursula tattoo. Please forgive that I am pantsless on a Disney YouTube channel. I love it! I'm so excited! Thank you, Secret Santa! Okay, box number 2. I'm trying not to like destroy these boxes because I've been selling stuff on like Mercari and like lots of crafts, and also it's Christmas and I have to wrap up gifts. So I'm being a lot gentler than I usually would if it was like true Christmas morning. Oh my. This one's really wrapped up. Enjoy your gift from your Secret Santa. This one's got mystery packaging on it. This is a Jim Shore. Stop. It's an Ariel Jim Shore! Look! Oh! Let's open it up! Oh! Oh, is she pretty? Oh! I love her! She's gonna go right in my Shark Little Mermaid bathroom. YouTube Secret Santa, you did so good. Thank you so much. Well, this just makes me more excited to open the rest of my Secret Santa gifts. I participated in 2 other Secret Santa gift exchanges this year. Cannot wait to share those unboxings with you. Those are going to be coming soon. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Yeah, for someone who loves Ariel as much as I do, I don't have any Ariel Little Mermaid Funko Pops. I think I only have Wreck-It Ralph, Inside Out, and I have Elliot from Pete's Dragon, but he's my favorite. So this is amazing. I love this so much. I take my Funkos out of the box, but I don't feel like I'm gonna take this one out. It just, I don't know, it's like too special. It's the 30th anniversary edition. I don't know, she's really, really pretty. Oh, I'm so excited. And then I've never seen this Jim Shore before. And I love that it's Ariel in her like human form when she has legs. I love this outfit on her. I did a like poor man's cosplay of it once for a friend's birthday. Not great. This is much better. I am so in love with this. thank you so much to you, my YouTube Secret Santa. I love these gifts. I cannot wait to display them. And thank you, friends, for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Let me know in the comments if you're more of a Funko person or a Jim Shore person. And what is your favorite in your collection? Thank you so much. Have a magical day.